Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I've got a Porsche Cayenne. Okay, let's have a look at this Porsche Cayenne here. There's a lot of problem that the airbag light was on this car here. So when it comes to airbags, you can't really use a multimeter to test the system. You got to use the actual your experience scan tool as well, and special tool to test the airbag. So this one here had a problem with the wiring harness, so I sorted that one out, and I didn't want to just order any parts because everything have to be tested until you find the problem, and then I found the problem already. So this car here, the actual light was on all the time, no matter what you do. So actually the first thing I've done, I had a spare airbag from my car. It's the same model as this one here, non-turbo, but they got the same airbag. So I actually took my airbag and replaced it with this one here. Just swap them over, nothing happened. So I knew straight away the airbag was fine. Got a special tool to test the actual pins. The pins was fine. Took the ECU out from this one here and swap it with different ECU. Check the wiring harness all the way to here. Pretty much a pretty involved job. If you're guessing, you just go and swap whatever you want to swap, and then customers paying for it. There's no point, so you're better off just doing it properly by testing everything. So luckily I had my Cayenne, so it was the same model, same kind of a 9PA, so same airbags, same ECU and stuff like that. So I narrowed it down. The airbag was good, this was good, wiring harness was not broken, but actually high resistance, so I had to actually repair some of the pins, but I knew it wasn't that anyway. So at the end, the problem was the actual clock spring, which is this one here, the actual clock spring. The pin was broken, but broken but not broken enough to actually cause the fault, but not completely broken. So that was really hard to find the problem, because it was not just broken a little bit here. It was like the resistance was higher than normal, but I can still get a signal. That's why I couldn't actually find out what's the problem. But I actually stripped everything down. All this was out, and then I actually test the wire one by one from here, because that disconnected everything from here. Test everything one by one to the actual steering column, and then we'll go from there. But let me see if I can start the car, and I'll show you that the light is gone. There you go, light is gone. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.